Samsung is relocating parts of display manufacturing from China to India. They will soon invest approx rupees 54 billion for setting up a display manufacturing unit in India's Uttar Pradesh. Currently, almost zero manufacturing of display panels takes place in India. Kuehne Nagel launches AI-enabled truck booking platform in Singapore called eTruckNow. It bridges the supply and demand of road logistics via a digital marketplace, bringing a faster way for customers to book trucks and an easier way for carriers to unlock business opportunities. Gateway Distriparks Limited, Adani Logistics Limited, and Snowman Logistics Limited have now mutually resolved their disputes. The parties have signed a settlement agreement on 5th July 2020. InforNexus, a California-based cloud supply chain platform, has been supporting digitalization efforts in Asia's supply chain industry. The adoption of cloud-based offerings is accelerated in the region after the advent of COVID-19. Samsung fosters Korean chip supply chain to end foreign dependency. It has kicked off the process of localizing its chip supply chain by strengthening its ties with domestic parts manufacturers and local suppliers of related materials. Eka, a US-based company, announces real-time transportation visibility platform for carriers, brokers, and shippers to take up and democratize the freight management business. Delhi-based startup Picker, which aims to simplify logistics, have strategically shifted their focus to make deliveries of essentials like food items, Ayurvedic products, and medicines to maintain their pre-lockdown numbers. The Union government is framing a new law, National Logistics Law Efficiency and Advanced Predictability Act. This law will replace the existing Multimodal Transportation of Goods Act. The Maharashtra Authority of Advance Ruling, that is AAR, ruled that 12% of GST is applicable to the agreement of supply of services in relation to transportation of goods by road. According to a recent study, live vehicle tracking can be a long-term investment that can allow logistics business owners to effectively manage the field. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. And for more such videos, follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter.